Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ExpressVPN on iPhone with split tunneling, full guide step by step clearly. To activate ExpressVPN on your iPhone with split tunneling, start by downloading the ExpressVPN app from the App Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your iPhone. Sign in to your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly within the app or through the ExpressVPN website. Upon signing in, you'll see the main dashboard of the app. Tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the preferences section. Select split tunneling from the options provided. Toggle the switch to enable split tunneling. You'll see two options, all apps and selected apps. If you want all your apps to use the VPN, choose all apps. To specify which apps will use the VPN, select selected apps. You'll be presented with a list of apps installed on you. Choose the apps you want to route through the VPN by tapping them. Once selected, tap Done in the top right corner. To connect to a VPN server, return to the main dashboard. Tap the large power button to connect. After connecting, your selected apps will use the VPN. You can verify your connection status on the main screen. Enjoy enhanced privacy and security while using your specified apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.